Watch your step, Teba. Watch your step. Wicked. Wow.
Fresh air.
Nice. Wow, they got a what is it? They got a merry-go-round there too? So this is what do you call this place exactly? Like this little spot here.
It's the water.
This is the waterfront in Cape Town. If you put this Toy Kingdom in your Google, just put Toy Kingdom and you'll find it.
Yeah. Toy Kingdom Waterfront. It's a franchise.
Okay. Toy Kingdom Waterfront. The Somerset, what's that? Somerset Hospital? So that's how you'll find it. Somerset Hospital in Google Maps. Oh, Victoria Wharf, yeah. This is beautiful, Teva. It's actually very beautiful, and parking is probably low cost.
Yes, now it's like
The parking is not a problem here.
it's not a problem. You can even park outside the complex for free.
Ah, I'm so happy I made the trip, Teva.
Yeah, man. I knew, it's like I don't want to talk too much about Cape Town because I know it's amazing. But it's when you hear, I'm like, okay, this is just it's the natural side of it, this exotic ghetto side of it.
White button. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I love it. I love it. This is like Teba. This is like West Palm. I love it. This is Teba. You're bringing me to the high life.
Yeah,
You know, I don't like this Rasta high life. You're living here. You know, you're not a real Rasta, Teba. You live in this.
At some point, they used to call me bourgeois Rasta.
You're a bourgeois Rasta in a Teba. I don't like Teba. This is the mall you told me about. You bring that person.
Huh?
What's the name of it? Teba, I don't like this lifestyle you're living with, this vanity. No, man, I forgot. Teba, I see how you're living it
Let me
up.
use the bathroom quickly.
All right, do that. I see how you're living, Teba.
Yeah, man, when you too much let it get out, you rub the dust off sometime. But the thing is, black people build this, Our parents built this, so if we enjoy it, if we can,
Yes, yes, I.
invest in it. Partner yourself with the right people,
Yes.
work your heart for your life.
So now when we show them this side of Africa, no,
Africa.
them say, Randy, where are you? Me say, me there, Africa.
Africa, straight.
Randy, where you there?
Are
Me
you
say,
sure?
Africa, me there.
Are you sure?
Oh, they have a place called Poetry? Yo, Teba, where's the restroom?
The restroom.
All the way down? You know I have to check out Poetry. Just come out and wait when you finish. Oh, no. It's all right. It's all good. Yo, Teba, some African style, you know. Now, this shirt, them, you know.
It's the restroom.
Yo, Teba, you want to know, say, what's going to happen? Our show's going to go viral, and people are going to be expecting me to be here all the time with you. They want to send me some money if you have a series.
Yeah. It's the thing. You must entice them, show them this is where you want to be and enjoy. So will come through, you know. And it's called Africa.
Look at these Teba. What's the name of this place? We can have dessert here after. Yes, sir. What's it called? White Rabbit. You know, Teba, after we eat with fish, we'll have dessert at the White Rabbit. Teba, we have to live in on my own.
Look at this, look.
Teba, we should eat. Don't worry, Teba. We're going there. She look like so we can't come. Wait till we come back and say, let me have the Grey Poupon. Yeah, man, nice. But we're going to eat here. That's the next jacket you need for your show.
With the shoes that match them. Near Rasta.
Rasta, man. Vibration. Watch your step, Teba. I'm not there to catch you. Victoria Wharf. Checking out some design at Gucci. Right? Waiting for Teba. So, you know, this is Africa. Well, it's a beautiful mall. Very nice. Like I tell you guys on my videos, life is a perception. This is Africa, Cape Town. Wherever you go, enjoy yourself. When you hear about Africa, you hear about Africa, you deal with the thing. It's a perception. This is a beautiful mall. Nice stores and everything here, right? And it's impressive. That's how it works. You know, I pretty much film wherever I want to go, do my thing. You ready? So I went into the store to try to buy a shirt, but it couldn't fit. My gut too big.
Enjoying your food.
Yeah. So it really couldn't fit, you know?
For it.
Them not built it for the Rasta man, the pork eating Rastas. This is beautiful, Teba.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful mall. It's actually quite majestic, you know?
Africa.
The architecture.
Yeah, yes.
It's and the sun and the lighting. It's and the energy. It's actually probably one of the better malls I've ever been to. And I've been in West.
Say that, but because this is just there's another one. That one is a city. You get lost in there. Even out of the campus or navigation.
Where is that one?
It's in the
So when I travel, I show people all aspects of everything. Like for example, Teva, I'm thinking we get you this sneaker here. That might allow you to fly. But not for the goods, the architecture.
Yeah.
The white railing sets off the ceiling.
And the fact that is established in Africa, huh?
Yeah.
So this is what our nation is capable of.
Yeah.
We're not all that doing.
Well, you know what?
To own it properly. You see, the president signed it. He's going to show us this. That was before.
That's a beautiful African people there. So, but just keep in mind, Teva, all of this beautiful, polished things can lead to people trying to acquire these and cause even crime. Because perception is mad, you know.
That's what is happening, actually.
When people see this, this is, okay, this is what I want my life to be. And some people who've acquired this, they realize there's no substance in this. But for each their own, right?
Yeah.
Can't wrong a man for what you want to work for. People would say to me, why would you want to go back into the jungle of Jamaica when you could have this? You've been to Cape Town, Randy, you've been to West Palm, you've been to New York, Fifth Avenue. Why don't you want that life? But now going to Cape Town and see, it's everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure New York is amazing place.
No, this mall is impressive. Teva, I've been to West Palm Beach. I've been in New York for 27 years. I've been in Macy's. This mall is up there.
You see, that's why I'm saying, like, some part of this country is like first world, the third world problems.
Take, for example, even the design of their layout has a different... You see, I know art. I'm in advertising. Even how they lay things out, they have a different taste. The flooring, how they have the floor accent the roof, the lighting, you know, bring the natural lighting in. It has like a perfect temperature. You know, because you could breathe.
Even a temperature, that's true.
Yeah, you see, it's not AC controlled. There's a kind of fresh air vent system, right? Not that I'm a mall curator, because I don't. It's just that I like. For example, who would think we'll put a lion there? Now this would be like an amazing airport, because in Amsterdam the airport was also powerful, beautiful. Amsterdam is a beautiful airport. It's kind of actually one of. So I could see the European influence here.
This is actually
Victoria, Victoria. It's a conqueror's influence, right?
From then, it's always been there.
Yeah.
You
So
see,
yeah.
When you thoroughly
So let's agree that there's not 80% African influence here, the design and anything.
it's just the labor that's African, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything else is.
You see, from the beginning, see, South Africa is Joburg, a gold city, and Cape Town, the port where the ships from the west and the east brought slaves. And they fell in love with the energy of the place, the people slave, they subjugated it, and made it their own. They made this belongs to the U.S. imperialist-led structure. They own it. You see? That's the reality of it. But you know, through time and revelations, you never know. Our grandchildren, like the CEOs of this place, is because we've laid the foundation. They give them the right information in their family.
And not a lot of African influence here either.
Yeah. You see, you get the African influence in the market.
But you know one thing though, I gotta say, hold on a second, stop.